In September 2020, the U.S. Department of Energy and Savannah River National Laboratory held a groundbreaking event to start construction on the $66 million Advanced Manufacturing Collaborative on the University of South Carolina Aiken campus. The AMC is a cutting-edge research and development lab operated by the Savannah River National Laboratory. The AMC promotes collaboration with academia, industry partners, and government agencies, driving innovation and supporting the DOE mission and SRNL's important work in environmental stewardship, national security, and energy resilience. Spanning 2 stories and covering more than 63,000 square feet, the AMC features diverse lab spaces including bench, high bay, computational, and industrial engineering labs. The facility meets or exceeds LEED Silver certification standards with flexible, energy-efficient spaces delivered under a DOE contract with Northwind Construction Services. The AMC includes open office layouts, multiple formal and informal meeting areas, a multi-purpose classroom and conference rooms, informal meeting spots in public areas, and a versatile collaboration space. The AMC was designed to support environmental cleanup, regulatory compliance, and innovation in advanced manufacturing, while also addressing broader DOE priorities in energy, national security, and basic science. The AMC expands SRNL's footprint beyond the Savannah River Site, reducing barriers to working with top experts in environmental technologies, energy infrastructure, nuclear energy, and fusion energy. The AMC will support job creation and expand industry partnerships and technology commercialization. By bridging R&D with real-world applications, the AMC will serve as an economic catalyst for the Southeast region and its robust manufacturing ecosystem to solve regional and national challenges.